Hey people, this is part 2 of building on Creo, and today I'll be showing you how I built a form filler agent. A form filler agent in the sense of an agent that fills form automatically, right? So here is my prompt: build an AI agent called form filler. The core function is that the agent should open a target website and fill the form using available data. I had to map out the behavior flow to ensure accurate performance by the agent, right? So this is basically the prompt, well structured. Then after I have my prompt ready, the next thing was to go back to the Creo dashboard and set up the things needed to make this agent work. And the first thing was to go to the cloud browser and create a profile, because to make this agent work, it has to be able to access the browser live. So I created a profile, named it My AI Me. My AI Me. And then next thing was to create a browser session. So I had to choose the profile to be used, My AI Me, and the browser location I left it at United States, and I clicked on create browser. That was up. So next thing was to copy my prompts and then build the agent itself. Back to the Creo interface, I just had to paste my prompts and run through to include my connectors that were going to be used for the creation of this agent. The first one is my Gmail account, of course, and at some point I felt like I could probably tag my browser profile, but then that wasn't possible. I could only mention the browser profile. I could only mention it. I couldn't tag it because it's already showing here on my screen. If you check the browser part, you would see My AI Me there. So it was already reflecting on my Creo dashboard. So all I could do was to edit to my browser profile, My AI Me, yeah. And then we had to send this running. Then Creo AI Super Agents did what it knows how to do best, ran through the command and everything that I asked it, and my agent was ready. So next thing was to run the form filler on a test form URL, which I did like ASAP. So I included the URL, and let's watch it fill this form live. So funny enough, I used the editor link, but it proceeded with the correct URL without waiting for me to correct it. It's not beautiful. So I had to go to the live browser to see what it was doing there. And on this form, there are like 4 fields there. So it detected 4 fields instead of filling them one by one. By the time I went back to the live browser, it was done filling the form. I couldn't see it do it live, but that's why we have the agent. We can always do another one. So it filled the form and sent a full summary of what it did on my Gmail. Now, this particular test that I ran was done with a dummy information, meaning that it did not use my actual information and details because I haven't included that in there. So I went to my email address and I saw that a response was sent. Even though it was not my actual details that was used. So now we are going to do an actual form filling with my details, and I had to type up my details here on the Google Docs I was using for this agent creation, and I'm going to copy everything here, copy all of it. That included my name, email, gender, occupation, hobbies, favorite area to work experience, studies, and personality. So I copied everything and pasted it here to save it as my details. And then I included a URL, a form that the agent will actually fill with my real details as well. Sent everything as one instruction. So after I sent this, the first thing the Creo did was to save my information to memory. So it could always pull the information from there to fill forms. Now we are going to watch this one fill form in real time, and let's see what it does. It was actually beautiful to see this happen. It's filling the form already, and like in a few seconds everything was done and dusted. And the beautiful thing is that I didn't use the exact words on this form for my details, but I was able to interpret it properly and fill the form completely. 7 fields detected, perfect match with my profile, fill all fields with my real details. Now we're sending the summary to my Gmail, to my email address, and the mission is complete. The summary sends to my email. Alright, my full profile is permanently saved to memory. Every future form will run automatically using my creative any details. No need to re-enter them. Now let's go to my email and see what we have here. So we have the form filler run summary. My form filler agent has completed successful run. Here is my full execution summary. Target form URL. Success, like he was able to actually complete the form. Confirmation he got from the browser was that the response has been recorded, and it sent me what it actually filled out, the details he used to fill out what it did. And this is everything. Fields skipped, none. Errors detected, none. All 7 fields were matched and filled successfully using my saved Creative Elite profile. The form was submitted in 3 browser steps with 0 errors. My profile details are permanently saved. Sent with love by Form Filler Agent, powered by Creo AI. And that was it. So I had to go to the Agents tab to see that my agent was fully seated there. And the 2 sessions I ran were there, the first dummy and then the second one with my real details. So I could always run this agent anytime, any day. I could also schedule it to run if I needed to do so. So for it to run, I just had to fill in these fields and the agent fills the forms for me. Alright, so yeah. You could see the browser session that was created for the agents to actually get things done. My browser profile here. So I went to the agent's brain, and on the memory section I could see that my details were actually saved, were really saved. And then this is everything. The agent would always pull this information from here to fill my forms, and I could also update it with extra information depending on the kind of form I'm filling. It's beautiful. So you can sign up on Creo AI and start creating agents that help you to work in real time using the link in the description or the pinned comment